Ongako music. I like Japanese music. Nihon no ongako ga suki desu. Undo exercise. I do exercise in the morning. Asa undo shimasu. Hashiru to run. I run fast. Hayaku hashiremasu. Aruko to walk. I walk slowly. Yukuri arukimasu. Kao to buy. I will buy it. Sorry o kaimasu. Uru to sell. This store sells books. Kono mise wa hon o urimasu. Ao to meet. I met him yesterday. Kino kari ni Yamashita. Tsukuro to make. My mother makes dinner. Haha wa yusho ku o tsukurimasu. Kaku to write. I write every day. Mainichi kakimasu. Yomu to read. I read Japanese books. Nihongo no hon o yomimasu. Okiru to wake up. I wake up at 7. Shichiji ni okimasu. Neru to sleep. I sleep late. Oso ku nemasu. Hataraku to work. My father works in Tokyo. Chichi wa Tokyo de hatarakimasu. Benkyu suru to study. I study at home. Ii de benkyu shimasu. Renshu suru to practice. I practice Japanese. Nihongo o renshu shimasu. Hajimeru to start. Let's start. Hajimemashu. Owaru to finish. The class finished. Gyugyu ga owarimashita. Omu to think. I think it's interesting. Omoshiroi to omaimasu. Shiru to know. I don't know. Shiremasen. Tsukao to use. I use English at work. Shigoto de eigo o tsukaimasu. Hitsuyu necessary. Water is necessary. Mizu wa hitsuyu desu.